In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset PlayStation 4 controller without a PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a PlayStation 4 controller but you don't actually have a console, maybe because you are using it on a PC, on a smartphone, or any other compatible device, then follow these instructions and I'm going to teach you how to reset the controller. This can help resolve any sort of temporary issue that you might be having. The official main way of resetting your controller is available on the Sony website, and it is what I'm going to demonstrate now. All that you have to do is look at the back of the controller and find this opening here, so roughly at the top right corner of the screen. Depending on the model, it might be elsewhere, but basically this is a reset button. The reason why it's so tiny is that you don't press it accidentally. So with the controller powered on, get a toothpick or a pin and then press and hold this button for about 5 to 10 seconds or until you see the LEDs turn off. After you press and hold this button down for about 5 to 10 seconds, the controller will be powered off, essentially resetting the controller. Now, the main way to actually get it working again would be to connect it with a cable to a PlayStation 4, but of course, because the focus of this video is resetting it without having access to a PlayStation 4, all that you have to do instead is connect it to a PC or any other device using a cable. So the primary way to do it is going to be with a cable. You plug one end into the controller and then the other one goes into your PC or the other compatible device. There's no secret to this. If you want to, you can also try connecting it over Bluetooth. So you go into the Bluetooth settings of your device, make sure that it is enabled and choose the option to add a new device. Press and hold the PlayStation and the share button simultaneously for a couple of seconds to enable Bluetooth pairing mode, and then it is going to appear on the list as a DualShock 4 controller. You can choose it from the list and it will remain connected to that platform. I recommend connecting it with a cable first to help establish the connection, and then you can connect it with Bluetooth in the future. And if it doesn't work for whatever reason, go into the list of previously registered devices on your PC or your mobile device, such as a smartphone, and if the DualShock 4 was already listed here, choose the option to forget the device and then restart the process. Forgetting the device can also help reset the connection. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset PlayStation 4 controller without PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.